In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync files with Dropbox. By the end, you'll have your documents, photos, and folders staying up to date across your computer, phone, and tablet with almost no effort. First, head to the Dropbox website and create your account. Once you're signed up, download and install the Dropbox app on every device you want to keep in sync: your computer, your phone, and your tablet. On your computer, the installer will add a special Dropbox folder to Windows Explorer or macOS Finder. On mobile, install the Dropbox app from your device's App Store. Installing on all your devices up front ensures everything talks to the same place. Next, sign into your account on each device using the same login. This is important. If one device isn't signed in, it won't receive new files. After you sign in on your computer, you'll see the Dropbox folder appear. Think of this as your sync hub. Anything you put in here is what Dropbox keeps updated everywhere else. Now add your files. Open Windows Explorer or Finder, then drag and drop, move, or copy the files and folders you want to sync directly into the main Dropbox folder. You can create subfolders inside it to stay organized, just like you would anywhere else on your computer. If you have large videos or lots of photos, consider adding them in batches so you can keep an eye on progress more easily. You can also save new files directly into the Dropbox folder from apps like Word or Photoshop, and they'll be treated the same way. Once your files are in the Dropbox folder, the app automatically uploads them to the cloud and syncs them to your other signed-in devices. You don't need to press a button. Just make sure your internet connection is active and keep the Dropbox app running in the background. The time it takes depends on your connection speed and file sizes. You can keep working while it runs. Dropbox handles the sync quietly. To confirm everything is finished, check the status indicators. In Windows Explorer or Finder, look for a green check mark on each file and folder. That green check means the item is fully synced. If you see a spinning or blue icon, it's still in progress. Just give it a moment. You can also glance at the Dropbox icon in your system tray or menu bar. When you see a green check there, the overall sync is complete. Open the Dropbox app on your phone or tablet and you'll see the same files appear once syncing is done. That's it. Sign up and install, log in everywhere, add your files to the Dropbox folder, let the automatic sync do its job, and look for the green check mark to confirm you're all set.